Designed in California, COSORI Premium Air Fryer has a special improved ergonomic angled display that provides better viewing without bending over. A slimmer footprint fits on your countertop and saves your space. Less oil. The air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste, making it the perfect Christmas gift for family members and friends. Large capacity. The air fryer's spacious 5.8-quart square baskets can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. Additionally, the corner spaces provide more cooking footprint and flexibility than round designs. Cook the perfect amount of food for 3 to 5 people in one go. 13 cooking functions, 11 presets, preheat, and keep warm help you cook meat, veggies, and more. Just choose your preset with one easy tap and you're ready to cook. You can also set temperature and cook time for personal recipes. 100 included recipes. Find inspiration for every meal with 100 original, COSORI chef-created recipes. 100 included recipes. The air fryer produces crispy results in less time than a conventional oven and includes a shake reminder function. Preheat the air fryer before adding your ingredients for improved texture. Safe materials. The removable, non-stick baskets are dishwasher safe, PFOA-free, and BPA-free. To find additional and replacement accessories for your air fryer, search for C158-6AC and C158-FB. Fully certified. The air fryer is ETL listed and has a power rating of 120 volts, 1700 W and a temperature range of 170 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note that this voltage only applies to the US and Canada. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues, our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We'll send you a replacement right away. Top reviews from the United States. Book-loving family. My 6-year-old son loves the Berenstain Bears. With no exaggeration, we read a Berenstain Bears book at least 5 out of 7 nights a week. This is a cute story and adds to the variety that is chosen from each night, thank goodness. The Berenstain Bears books always have a little lesson that the bear family learns about themselves. In this book, brother and sister are nervous about tryouts for a baseball team. They worry whether they'll make the cut, but also brother's concerned that sister may make the team and he won't. Mama even becomes an aggravated bleacher parent and is reminded it's only a game.